Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will see the usage of a flat map that is present in streams. Okay. Say suppose in this example, I'm having 10 objects. So I'm having two lists here actually. So the first list contain 5 objects, and the second list contain another 5 objects. So if I wanted to get all these 10 objects into one list, so how we can do that? So here, say suppose we can do it in two ways using a stream. So either I can create a stream. If you see, there is a stream dot off. You can pass list 1 and then list 2. Okay. So if you assign it to variable, if you see, you got a list of cars. So as you already got a list, so you may think that you can collect it as a list directly, so that we will get um, a list of all the objects in one list. So that is not possible. See, if you collect it as a list, then what we get is list of cars. Okay, so this is not going to work directly. So as we got a stream here, what we can do is list that there is a flat map in the stream. Okay, so you can use flat map, and then there is a collection. In the collection class there is a stream method, so you can use that stream method, and then you can collect as list. So if we do that, we'll get a list of cars instead of list of cars. And then if you print it, see, we'll get all the cars from both the list. We get a single list here. Okay, in this way you can combine list of each list. Okay, so there is another way also. So let's comment this, and so I can add using arrays as a list. I can add these two lists also into another array, another list, arrays dot as list, comma list 1, list 2. So now I am having a list of cars. So what I can do is, here I can convert this list into a stream, and then I can do a flat map, and then collection : streams, and then collect it as a list. And if we assign it to a variable, and if you run the program, then you can see, so both the lists are combined, and we got a single list as a final. So in this way you can use the flat map to combine multiple arrays into a single array list, something like that. So you can use this flat map that is present in the stream. So you can use either directly convert that a list into a stream, and then from the stream you can get a flat map, or if you add that into a list, you can get a list of objects, and then convert that into a stream. So and then do a flat map. So depends on the situation, you can use either of the scenarios. Thank you.